Welcome everybody to another video of Ancient Greece Reloaded. Today we will talk about the famous Pegasus, the winged divine stallion. By the way, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so as to stay tuned for upcoming videos. Pegasus, Greek Pegasus, is a mythical winged divine horse and one of the most recognized creatures in Greek mythology. Usually he is depicted as pure white. Myths about him vary as the Greek myths evolve and reflect progression through successive generations of deities. Pegasus was not born in the normal manner, although it might be said that the horse was an offspring of Poseidon Medusa. Medusa was once a beautiful maiden and a priestess in one of the temples of Athena. The beauty of Medusa was such that Poseidon forced himself upon the priestess in Athena's temple, and as a result, Medusa became pregnant. Athena found out about the sacrilege that had occurred in her temple, and of course she was unable to take out her rage upon Poseidon, and so Medusa became the focus of her hate. Medusa would be cursed with the ugliness associated with the monstrous Gorgon, with hair of snakes and a stony gaze, and Athena also cursed Medusa so that she could not give birth to the offspring conceived in Athena's temple. Medusa would make her new home with the other Gorgons, but eventually she was tracked down by Perseus, who had been quested with bringing back the head of Medusa. Perseus would manage to approach Medusa using his shield to protect him from the Gorgon's gaze, and with his sword, Perseus cut off the head of Medusa. Medusa would fall down dead, but from the severed neck sprang forth the children of Medusa, Pegasus and Chrysaor. Pegasus emerged as a full-grown winged horse, while Chrysaor, Pegasus' brother, either emerged as a giant or a winged boar. Pegasus and Perseus. It has become to think that Perseus then made use of Pegasus in his long return journey to the island of Seriphos, rescuing Andromeda from the sea monster in Ethiopia from the back of the winged horse. The use of Pegasus by Perseus, though, was an interpretation of the myth that occurred in Europe many hundreds of years after the original stories had been recorded. Perseus in the original Greek myths had no need to use Pegasus, for he already had in his possession the winged sandals of the Greek god Hermes. There is a gap in the mythology of Pegasus after the birth of the winged horse, but eventually Pegasus is to be found upon Mount Olympus in the care of the goddess Athena. It was said to be Athena who tamed and trained Pegasus, making it rideable by mortals. Pegasus would be housed in the massive stables of Mount Olympus, alongside the various chariot-pulling horses of gods such as Helios, Poseidon and Zeus. Zeus would indeed be the god to make the most use out of Pegasus, and Pegasus would become a weapon carrier of Zeus, sharing the role with gigantic eagles, and it was therefore Pegasus who often carried the thunderbolts crafted by the Cyclops when Zeus went to war. Some stories tell of Pegasus finding himself a mate in the form of Okyroe, also known as Evipe. Okyroe was the daughter of the centaur Chiron, who had been transformed into a horse by Zeus when she had revealed too much about the future, especially about the fate of her own father. Pegasus and Okyroe were said to have mated, bringing forth Celeris, and possibly Melanippe, although Melanippe was another name given to Okyroe. Some tell of this offspring of Pegasus being the forefathers of a new race of winged horses. Also, Celeris was not necessarily a winged horse, and often is just described as being swift of hoof. In later mythology, especially in later Greco-Roman mythology, Pegasus would become associated with the younger Muses. One particular story of Pegasus and the Muses comes out when the Muses undertook a singing contest with the daughter of King Pierus, the Pierides. The song of the Muses was so good, though, that the mountain upon which they stood, Mount Helicon, swelled in admiration for the work. Poseidon ordered Pegasus to gallop over Mount Helicon to relieve the mountain's swelling, and where the galloping Pegasus touched down, a spring was created, the spring being named Hippocrene. Similarly, the creation of other sacred springs around ancient Greece was said to have occurred when Pegasus touched down. In Greek mythology, Pegasus is primarily known for one tale, which sees the winged horse used by the hero Bellerophon. Bellerophon had been tasked with killing the Chimera, the fire-breathing monster of antiquity. Bellerophon knew that the task would be much easier if he could attack the Chimera from the air, and the hero figured Pegasus would allow him to do so. Bellerophon would ask the seer Polyidus how he could catch Pegasus, and the seer advised to Hero to spend the night in the temple of Athena, and in the temple the goddess came to Bellerophon. Athena gave Bellerophon a golden bridle, and told Bellerophon he would need to make a sacrifice for the god Poseidon. This Bellerophon did, and subsequently the hero found Pegasus drinking from the Pyrene well upon the Acrocorinth. Pegasus saw the golden bridle and recognized it as one used by Athena, and so Pegasus allowed Bellerophon to put it on and then allowed the hero to climb upon its back. The riding of Pegasus did make it easy for Bellerophon to best the Chimera, but his victory then gave the hero an overinflated sense of worth. Thus Bellerophon decided that he should make a trip to the palaces of the gods upon Mount Olympus. Such an action was seen as overly presumptuous by Zeus, and Zeus decided to stop Bellerophon. A gadfly was dispatched, which subsequently stung Pegasus, and when the winged horse backed in pain, Bellerophon was unseated. The hero fell to earth and was left a cripple, whilst Pegasus flew unencumbered back to his stable upon Mount Olympus. Let us finish with the following saying: "We know nothing for sure, because the truth is hidden in the deep." Democritus. That being said, remember guys to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel, it would help us a lot. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.